Number 11. Find all values of c in the interval from -1 to 1, which have the following property. F of c is the average value of f of x on the interval from -1 to 1, where f of x is the square root of 1 minus x squared. And then we're being asked for which theorem guarantees that such a c exists. So first we want to find the average value. So average value is the general formula is 1 over b minus a times integral from a to b of f of x dx. Now we just have to plop in everything here. So 1 over 1 minus 1 times the integral from -1 to 1 of square root of 1 minus x squared dx. We could do this with a trigonometric substitution, but I'm going to take the fast way here. I'm just going to say that square root of 1 minus x squared from -1 to 1, this is the area inside half of a circle. And so this integral, circle of radius 1, so this area is pi divided by 2. So this is 1 over 1 minus 1, 1/2 times pi over 2. So the average value is pi over 4. So now, what do we have to do? F of c is going to be square root of 1 minus c squared. And we want this to equal pi over 4. Squaring both sides here, 1 minus c squared is equal to pi squared divided by 16. And so c is going to be plus or minus the square root of 1 minus pi squared over 16. You can check for yourself that these c values are, in fact, in this interval between -1 and 1. Now the rest of the question says, which theorem guarantees the existence of at least one such c? And so this is going to be the mean value theorem for integrals. And so for this one, this says if f is continuous on the interval from a to b, then there is c in the interval a to b, and that should, such that f of c is equal to the average value, 1 over b minus a times the integral from a to b of f of x dx. So this is a good thing to be aware of in case this kind of question comes up.